Hi Kentucky, this video is for the Pick 3 Pi method videos that I like to do. The method that I use is just taking the first 6 digits of pi, which are 314 and 159. No reason really other than I just like to do that sometimes. And then this video will be a step-by-step guide on how I go about doing that process. For Kentucky, it seems like you guys like Wednesdays. And then Kentucky likes box hits and +1. One more thing with that is that I also like to go back about a month to test this theory out. On December 13th, you had 921. You're going to add 314, so 9 plus 3 is 2, or 12. Keep the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. So 235, and then 921. Subtract 314, so 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. So 235 and 617 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 235, which you got from right here. You're going to add 159, so 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 5 plus 9 is 14. Keep the 4. You're going to take off the 159, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 13 minus 5 is 8. And then 15 minus 9 is 6. So 186 and 384 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take 617, which you got from over here. And then you're going to add 159. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 9 is 16. Keep the 6. You're going to also take off the 159, so 6 minus 1 is 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 17 minus 9 is 8. So 568 and 766 did not hit in the next 7 days. Okay, at this point, you're going to mirror the 921, which equals 476. You're going to add 314. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the 0. And then you would also add 1 to that middle 8 right there. So that's going to be 790. And then that hit on December 14th. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So 162 did not hit in the next 7 days. Okay, and then you're going to also take the 780, and then add, and 780 you got from over here. I'm going to add 159 to that, so 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3, 0 plus 9 is 9, and then 780 subtract off 159, 7 minus 1 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 10 minus 9 is 1, and 631, and 839 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 162, which you got from up here. Add 159 to that, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1, and then 2 plus 9 is 11, keep the 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 12 minus 9 is 3, so 0, 1, 3, and 2, 1, 1 did not hit in the next 7 days. And then from this point, I'm going to show you what did hit and not what did not hit. So on December 20th, 248 hit. You're going to subtract off the 314, so 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3, and then 8 minus 4 is 4, so 934. And that was a box hit on December 27th. And then on December 27th, you're going to take 394, subtract off 314, so 3 minus 3 is 0, 9 minus 1 is 8, and then 4 minus 4 is 0. So 080, did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 159, so 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 10 minus 9 is 1. So 931 was a box hit on January 2nd. On January 3rd, 621 hit. And I know I put mirror there, but disregard that. You're just going to keep the 621. So 621 minus 314. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 11 minus 4 is 7. So 317. You're going to add 1 to that middle digit, the 1. Bring down 37. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. And that was a box hit on January 8th. On January 10th, 800 hit. You're going to subtract off 314. 8 minus 3 was 5. 10 minus 9, or 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 596. You're going to add on 159. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 5 is 14. Keep the 4. And then 6 plus 9 is 15. Keep the 5. And then 645 was a box hit on January 17th. On January 17th, 314 hit, but you're going to mirror that to 869. 869 plus 314, so 8 plus 3 is 11, keep the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. And then that was a box hit on January 22nd. So from there, I'm going to show you the potential numbers to hit in the next 7 days. They are circled, but I will do a brief summary at the very end here. So 68, so it's coming from the number 135 that hit tonight. So you take 135, you're going to mirror it to 680. 680 plus 314, so 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 0 plus 4 is 4, so 994. I'm going to add 1 to that middle 9 there, so bring down 94, and then 9 plus 1 is 10, and then keep the 0. And that's 904. You're going to still be mirroring this 135 to 680. And then again, 680 minus 314, so 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 10 minus 4 is 6, so 376. We're going to subtract off the 159, so 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 16 minus 9 is 7, so 227. And then you're going to keep the digit, the 135. You're going to subtract off 314, so 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 5 minus 4 is 1, so 821. And then 821, you're going to add 1 to that middle digit there. And I did the math wrong there, so that should be a 831. And then make sure you keep that in mind for the very end of the video here too. Let me make sure I did the left-hand side right. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So 821 plus 1 there. Yeah, so that should be a 831, not 841. And then you're going to take 135 minus the 314. So that's going to give 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So 821. You're going to add 159 to that. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then 1 plus 9 is 10. Keep the 0. And that's 970. And then based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are 904, 227, that should be a 821 and an 831, and then 970. If I were to play these myself, I would probably be drawn to the 227 and the 970 as a repeat. No reason for that other than I really like doubles, and then it's the end of the month here, so the 970 I like as the repeat from December. And that's just my own personal preference. If you like the other numbers, that's okay as well. So, all right, everyone, that's pretty much it. Just let me know if you do have questions in the comments.